Hello everybody, I'm John Valentine father.
Hello, I'm John Valentine son.
Welcome to Father and Son. Let me see here. Wow.
Is it good?
That's great. I'm going to enjoy this. Oh, I forgot. We made a deal.
Yes, we did.
I cook, you wash. Okay, all right. Well, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll use this. I've got some nice crackers. They're very delicious. I've got some cheese and pickles already pre-cut, set up here. And
Nice touch.
let me see. I will prepare one of these for you. So we got the cracker. Got a little bit of provolone cheese on there.
Ooh, my favorite.
Yeah. Ooh. Got the chicken salad on top of that. And through the magic of technology, you're going to get one of these now suddenly. Here you go.
Oh, look at that. Magic.
All right, wait a minute. I'm going to try that too. We got the cracker and the provolone cheese. A little bit of the mixture here, the chicken salad.
Smells good.
All right, well, son. Oh, one more thing. Dig in. Dig in. How would I say dig in the Korean language?
먹자.
Mokja, dig in. All right, son, dig in.
Cheers.
That's very good. I'm an expert. Well, son, thanks for sharing. You can eat this now. We'll see you a little bit later. Bye. Take it easy, everybody. Thanks for listening to Father and Son. See you all next time. Welcome to review time. Our first sentence today. I'll cook, you wash. I'll cook, you wash. Very good. Second sentence. Watch yourself with the knife. Watch yourself with the knife. Okay, our third and final sentence. Dig in. Dig in. All right, everybody, great job. See you next time. Bye-bye.